time ago, in Turkey, there lived a witty old man named Mullah Nasruddin. One day, he was walking past a garden. That's when he saw a tree, a peach tree laden with fruits. His mouth watered. He plucked one fruit and started to eat. He wanted to eat more, but the fruits were a little high up. So he climbed up the tree and started to eat. Suddenly, the owner of the garden appeared. Nasruddin hid himself behind the branches of the tree. The gardener heard some rustling. "Who's out there? Come on down." Now, Nasruddin had a trick or two up his sleeve. He started to sing like a nightingale, a bird. I know Nightingale doesn't sing like that. Whoever it is, come down. What? You didn't like my singing? How can you expect an unexperienced nightingale to sing better than this? For everything, Nasruddin had an answer. For everything, he knew how to get away with it. I don't know what happened next because the story ends here. But you can create your own story further. What would happen next? With this, I end my story here. Till next story. Bye-bye for now.